The next section you're looking at here after the administration is the content section. The content section basically is where the content managers um, add in their content that they're going to promote, and then they can add campaigns, different campaigns based on the segments that we discussed in administration to go ahead and publish out to the different social media platforms. Again, we have the basic filtering features to sift through the different content listed below. Each piece of content has several different types of campaigns, and they have different statuses. So you can actually even click on the per promoter and see, this is another feature that was the suggested, and you can actually see that here, like Dave Mermelstein or this test user for this campaign, and the click breakdown for that, and you can export that to a CSV. Let's go ahead again and add a piece of content. I'm going to go over here to marketing profs. We're going to go ahead and just put the title, so they don't really even have to compose content if they don't want to, and they can just generate a preview. It'll automatically create the title and a preview, and then you can go ahead and you can basically save and start building your campaigns around this piece of content. So let's go ahead and do that. So immediately it prompts you into selecting the segments first. Again, this is based on the client's request, and you can choose from all these wide range of segments, and you can even, again, the custom segments that we had further added, so you can see the SEO, integrated, etc. But we're just going to go ahead and choose nothing, which will just default to all. Or now we just choose male, female, and then you can, as you can see here, we can take them out, clear the selections one at a time, and then we're going to go ahead, and at this point you can save the segment, or you can save and add messages. We're going to go ahead and save the segment, and you can see here now you're prompted to add a message to those to that campaign for that segments. And this is the new four-up view of the different social media outlets that we added. So you can go ahead and select each one, and then it'll, at the bottom it'll tell you. So let's say we got Twitter. You select Twitter, you see here, and the character counts are supposed to go in here on default. You can see if you edit, the character counts will appear if you enter the box. Here you go. Let's select the personal, select the company LinkedIn profile. Again, you can edit these, and then it automatically has a character count. Let's go ahead and select email. With the email, you have basically just a built-in editor, and the URL for tracking is automatically appended to the end. Finally, let's go ahead and select Facebook. Facebook again. And then you can see here all the different ones that we have selected. Okay, now we're done. We're happy with this message. Let's go ahead and hit done. At this point, we've now gone ahead and created our campaign. See, we have a male here, male, female here. This is 9 promoters, the unique 9. Unique promoters can be 9. You can always mouse over these points to see what these things are. For each column, there is no sorting that was selected for this column. In addition to that, you can increase the priority of one over the other, see how they switch. And then you can also duplicate one to create a new one if you don't want to start over, and then you can also delete. So let's go ahead and we can either, and then you can also build more campaigns if you'd like on your own. Let's go ahead and publish this. Now that has been published out to the different social media platforms that we have selected, you can go back and you can, basically what you can do is click on the title and you can get a preview of the content right here on the site. And if it's not able to preview it, then it would go off to the individual website in a new tab. So that you also have the other features of sorting from top to bottom for the start date and end date, promoters, clickers, and clicks, etc. As we discussed, you can drill into the different clicks to see which promoter has done well for each board. That's pretty much it. You can load more at the bottom. So that's content.